Hi guys, I will show you how to use Beadalon battery operated bead reamer. So I will make a rosary bracelet and malitang butas. The hole is real tiny, so it fits only in the thread. But I will use elastic cord 1.0, and I have another elastic cord here 0.8 mm from firemountaingems.com, and this I ordered it I ordered it in firemountaingems.com too, online. So anyway, it comes with two talaglag na. It comes with two reamer and this one. So I already used this, and to use it, this is battery operated. See, I already put battery. To open it, and 2IA battery, put it back, and then this has already, this one, yung black na ano, parang silicone, and then put there inside, and tapos put here, and so I already have this is done. Kita ba yung butas? The hole. Can you see the hole? I don't know if you see the hole. But anyway, ayan na siya. Nagkasya na. It's already reamed. I cannot see. Ayun. Yan lang, oh. Ganyan lang siya. Pero before you ream it, you have to dip it in water. It doesn't show. Dip it in water. And marami siyang alikabok na lalabas dahil the powder, there's a powder, white powder from the pearl. So let's move. Ayan. So I have another one here. Ito, I didn't use it yet. Hindi ko pa siya inano, ni-rim. See? Ayaw niyang pumasok, ganyan lang siya. It's only up to there. So I have to use this bead reamer para lumaki ang butas niya.
Dad, can I help you with anything at least?
No, you don't have to help me. I'm okay right now. It doesn't show.
It kind of gets stuck.
Huh?
It mostly gets stuck.
Wait, hold on. I cannot see. Ayan. I shoot Maria. I don't have the one that you have to hold the pearl. Ayan o, see? It needs to be in water because ayan, lumalabas yung ano. Ay. Alikabok. The dust from the pearl. Ay, naku po. Nalaglag na. Natanggal na. Hold on. Okay. So, ayan na. Pumasok na. Malaki na butas. Okay. Oh, the other one. The other side, it's still small. I didn't do the other side yet. I just do this. See? So, I have to do the other side too. I cannot see. That's why I asked my son to do this. I wanna show you. Ay, sus Maria. Maria, nung kalapong. Ayan, sana. This one. Hindi ko makita yung butas eh. Ayun. Ayun na, pumasok na. See, yan na. You can see the tip now. Both side. One and the other one too. So this is how you use the battery operated Beadalon Bead Reamer. That way you can make elastic bracelet. I didn't do it yet. See, I just put it in line, but this is the bracelet. Rosary bracelet. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 10 Hail Mary or Our Father. I forgot. Oh my gosh. 10 Our Father, 3 Hail Mary, and then Apostles' Creed, and this is the Jesus Christ. I don't have cross, so I will use this Jesus Christ. Thank you for watching, guys. See you on my next video. And Beadalon Bead Reamer, battery operated, and I bought it here in firemountaingams.com. firemountaingams&beads.com. Like. Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you and have a good night. It's night time here. Bye.